beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make Nesquik ice cream or chocolate abelewas. This is refreshing and delicious, and trust me, your kids are going to love it. Let's get started. In the saucepan, I added in full fat milk, evaporated milk, sugar and Nesquik. You can use any brand of chocolate powder of your choice. You can use Milo or any chocolate brand at all. Once it's cocoa powder, you can use it. Stir till well combined and leave it to come to a boil. In a separate bowl, I'll add in 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. I'll add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir till well combined. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once everything has come together, by then your chocolate mixture should have come to a boil, and then pour it in it whilst whisking it gradually. So you do not want to add it to it all at once. Gradually whilst whisking it till well combined. Stir till well combined. Once everything has come together, pour it back into your saucepan on the fire and bring it to a boil. Please stay close to it and make sure you keep stirring. Once it starts boiling or it starts taking sap, off the fire immediately and then pour it into a smaller bowl. So this is what you're looking for. You do not want to overcook the egg yolk. So once it takes up like this, turn it into a smaller bowl, cover the surface with a clean film, and then put it in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours. You want it cool down completely before using it. So please make sure you follow this process, and at the end you're going to get a great result. After 2 hours, I went ahead and added my whipped cream to a bowl. Wait until it's firm. So this is what you're looking for. It should be something like this, and then add in the chocolate mixture. Basically, these are all the ingredients needed, and this is it. It's simple, guys. This is really simple. It is easy. So when you get to this point, all you have to do is stir it till well combined and pour it into your ice cream bowl. So I use a disposable cups. You can use the ice cream cups or the ice cream mold that they do sell, but I prefer using the disposable cup this time around. This is the consistency you're looking for. It should be something more or less like this. When done, pour it into a disposable cup. Scoop it. I scoop about half a cup of the chocolates of the ice cream mixture in the disposable cup, and that was all. After you are done, insert your ice cream sticks in it and then put it in the freezer for at least 6 hours. Overnight is even better. I went in for overnight, so I did it a day before in the evening, and then I kept it in the freezer overnight. So please, when done, put it in the freezer overnight, but if you're in haste, 6 hours should be fine. So guys, this is it. It's very simple and it's easy. So do you know what happened to me? After I took it out from the freezer, I had a call and I was on a call. So my ice cream was, like, as you can tell from the video, was getting melt. Please don't let anyone distract you when doing this or when you take it from the freezer. Please don't forget to share. Bye bye.